guys, before jumping straight to the speed building of this set, let me tell you a few words. At first, I have built old school LEGO Technic after 20 years, and if I compare it with the new ones, it is really much more difficult to build. The instructions have much less steps, and there is happening much more in each step, plus you have to have really sharp shooter's eye to see all that was added or changed between steps. I'm counting myself as an experienced LEGO builder with over 500 sets built, and not just small ones, but building retro LEGO Technic is really a challenge for me. Let's jump to this set. It was released in 1988 with 326 pieces. It offers 3 controls, first to move the wheels and the other 2 to control the bucket. That's all to not make the video too long, and now enjoy the stop motion video.